Hey, what's up, YouTube? Long necker. Yeah. Well, got something to show you guys. Just a quick little thing I found in the box. Check this shit out. Here we go. This is Budweiser Millennium. So take my advice, she might be a nice looking hot cooking honky tonk queen, but you better figure up before you get drunk. Cause if you're fucked up, you're gonna wake up in the morning with a Wolverine. Never opened. There's a goddamn 10-year-old beer. Probably older than that. You can see crud in the bottom of it. You can see my mom gave it to me in 2000. 10 years. I'll drink her someday. Maybe when we'll wait 25 years. Who knows? Alright, motherfuckers. Later. Back in the woods.